Hi, welcome to this Let It Out 100 video series. Recently I was speaking at an event with 1,200 people, and I asked the audience, what are the two most important days in your life? And some said it's their birthday, the others said it's their anniversary, some said when they met their first love or started with the company and what and what and what. And then I said something that ages before Mark Twain had said. He said that the two most important days in your life are the day when you are born and the day when you know why you are born. So wonderful. The Let It Out 100 series is going to tell you or help you with understanding small basic things in life. And if you can use them, I assure you, things will be very different than what you're doing right now. It just takes 1 degree from 99 to 100 for water to get converted to vapor. Just 1 degree. Imagine if just 1 degree of change would happen in the attitude that we are having today, our lives can be way different than what we are. There's a very old Hindu tradition which is called as Bhiksha. And the Swamiji, the Sages, they go from door to door asking for Bhiksha. They collect food, come back at their kuti in the evening, cook it together and have it. While one of the Swamijis was asking for Bhiksha, there was one door where the woman was very reluctant to give him Bhiksha. And every day she used to bang the door. The Swamiji didn't quit. So on the third day when he went and knocked on the door, the lady opened the door and said, I have already told you, I don't want to give you anything. And he said, just pick up the mud that you have at your doorstep and give it in my hand. She did the same. The lady asked, Swamiji, what have you achieved? And he replied, I don't know if I have achieved anything, but what you have achieved is the habit of giving. The Let It Out 100 is something which I am inculcating as a habit to give you something that can help you with your life.